So, Roxana, maybe you could just introduce yourself a little bit for everyone, if that's okay.
Sure. Hi, my name is Roxana. I'm the CTO of a space-based startup. It's called HiveTracker. We are working in the supply chain industry, and we are developing monitoring systems for the supply chain with a big focus on pharmaceutical products. And my background is in blockchain and aerospace industry, coming from Polytechnic in university.
Perfect. Thank you very much. So, Roxana, what initially attracted you to a career in technology?
I have always been a geek, if you want. Started by writing some scripts just to see how far technology can go, and this brought me to follow a polytechnic degree in computer science.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I just love everything about it. You know, the fact that we can succeed just by having the smartest idea in the room, the mindset of always looking for solutions when encountering a problem. And finally, I was barely a teen when I was experiencing the disruption that the internet have brought to the day-to-day life, and now blockchain, big data, and AI that we are looking forward to. Everything is in constant change, and technology supports it and enables not only a better quality of life, but also decentralizing the financial system. And finally, process automation through algorithms applied to big data, preparing the fourth industrial revolution that is promised to us. I mean, what is there not to love about technology? The world today, I mean,
Literally.
wouldn't be possible without it.
No, definitely not. It's everywhere now, isn't it? It's just all around us. So no, I think it's totally an interesting field. I can understand why it's attractive.
I don't even know where you are.
Exactly, we're worlds apart at the moment. We're literally cross countries from one another, and we're managing to speak perfectly without any issue. So it's crazy stuff.